Okay. Now we got all those little buttons, and be careful, if you just tap it, they pop out of there like chiclets. Now you hold your radio like this, and you're this. Now, normally when you're ready to get it done, you peel your paper off your LCD screen, but you just gently hold it in place. Should slide over there, and you make sure your buttons aren't falling out of your holes. You can't see under there, but you make sure those LEDs go in the right place. And if everything's right, no sticky buttons. Now I usually plug it in, turn it on, make sure the screen works. Okay.